the two big takeaways are one on the 2026 guidance. Now, in the last quarter, ASML said, and they warned that they don't expect growth in 2026. What we're hearing now is a message in which they don't expect to decline, but they're saying also that they probably may not see growth as well. So that guidance hasn't necessarily changed, but they are trying to allay some of those fears that there could be a decline here. So it's very sort of subtle messaging, shall we say, from ASML. And they're saying that they're expecting their extreme ultraviolet lithography machines to see an increase in 2026, which of course is their more high-end machines. So that's a positive. The other big concern here is China. For a long time, ASML has continued to sort of say China sales are okay and we're able to ship some of our older machines to China and there's still a demand. What we're hearing now is that demand, and they use the word, will decline significantly in China in 2026. And I think that's a big change here in terms of the guidance here. Of course, we know ASML's most advanced machines cannot be shipped over to China, and China is also looking at ways it can use its current stack of machinery from ASML to try to do more advanced chips. There's a lot of engineering going on that side as well. So I'd say those are the two most significant parts of the announcement. The Q4 outlook specifically, they guided 9.2 to 9.8 billion euros in revenue. The market was expecting 9.2 billion, so slightly better, I guess, than what the market was expecting. But I think what's going to be a big focus here is really that 2026 guidance and China and trying to get more visibility. The issue is, I think, for many investors, is the guidance doesn't offer a huge amount of visibility.
That's it.
Particularly at a time when we continue to hear about all these investments into chips, into new data centers. I think there's going to be a lot of questions. Well, when and if does this filter down into ASML? And of course, if you think about the times, it's hard to know, right, how much new capacity needs to come on from TSMC, from Samsung, from SK Hynix, from Intel, and ultimately, does that mean they need to buy more ASML equipment, and when? And I think those are some of the key questions.